Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a Binance account. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is just go to Binance.com, and right here, as you can see, this is the interface, and at the top right you can see two options, namely login or sign up. Right now we want to create an account, so let's set on sign up. I'm gonna enter it right now. Well guys, this is it. From here you can simply sign up using your email or phone number, or using Google or Apple. Well, it's up to you. For me, almost everything is connected to my Google account, so I'm simply gonna select Google. And guys, that is it. After that, I'm gonna select my Google address right now and give my confirmation. And that is it. As you can see, my account is being created. I'm just gonna click on next right now. And guys, as you can see, my account has been created. Do note that it will ask you to get verified. Here are the steps. You can simply continue or click on this button, how to verify my identity, in order to know how to verify it. But right now I'm not gonna focus on that. I'm just gonna click on save and exit. And guys, that is it. That is how you create your Binance account. It is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.